Yeah, welcome to this session. Yeah, today I'm telling about how to create the well data layers. Well pumping data, how to create well pumping data, and how to analyze the data using ArcGIS, and how to import this data to the Visual Morphflow. Yeah, here I have been added the layer name that extraction village. That layer I will provide to you. Yeah, you can open the attribute table here. Before that, you can label the futures. See, go to properties here. Yeah, you can go to labels and see that label field is name or not. Okay, and thereafter you can open the you can select the label feature so that you will be seeing every village name in your file. And go to again open the attribute table. Here, this is the name of the village, maybe district name or taluka name or a regional name, whatever. Yeah, you can see that in this village there are the 5 dug wells. DW means dug wells, BW means bore wells. This is the population, and from this information we need to determine the how much amount of extraction is taking place in each and every village. Go to add field, and you should calculate irrigation draft during monsoon and irrigation draft during non-monsoon. Irrigation draft during monsoon will be different and non-monsoon will be different. During monsoon there will be lesser irrigation draft because already monsoon is we will be having some amount of rainfall, so we will decrease the amount of discharge from the groundwater. And during non-monsoon they will, due to lack of availability of rainfall, we will depend upon the groundwater, so we will extract more amount of water. Yeah, we will create one field name at that irrigation draft IDSP monsoon mon. I will create like this and float. Okay, and create another add field irrigation draft during non-monsoon flow. Okay, and create another draft domestic. Now irrigation draft is completed. Field creating is completed. Now again I will create with domestic draft during monsoon and non-monsoon. Okay, after this, if there are some industrial draft data you have, then you can incorporate the industrial draft data also. As far as for an example, I am saying about the irrigation draft and domestic draft. That's all. If you have irrigation draft, then you can involve into it and add it. That's all. And we need to add this irrigation draft during monsoon. In total draft, we need to separately create the columns like total draft during monsoon and total draft during non-monsoon. I'm creating another field draft during monsoon. After that, add field draft during non-monsoon. And thereafter, you need to create areas area corresponding to your what is the administrative area. After that, you need to determine the draft in during monsoon in meter, not and here we will create draft during monsoon in meter cube. Here also meter cube. We need to determine the draft during monsoon and draft during non-monsoon in meters. And why in meters, that you will understand by coming exercise. Add. Draft during monsoon in meters. Okay. Yeah. Successfully I have created all the fields. Now I am going to create irrigation draft during monsoon. Okay. Fill the calculator. Here. See here. Here the formula is that you need to multiply this domestic draft with that unit draft. You need to multiply this number of duck wells with the unit draft. How much amount of draft is taking place from each duck well? You need to multiply with that. And how much amount of draft is taken from each bore well? 37 into unit draft. How much from each? Currently, I am assuming that into duck well into 0.05 means the unit draft is taking place 500 meter cube is taking place from each duck well plus for each day during monsoon means we will be having 3 months, sorry, 4 months. 4 into 30 is 120 for each day. Okay. Okay, this is a draft for a single well during monsoon. Okay, this is a draft for a single well, for a single bore well during monsoon. Okay. Okay, after that we need to determine for non-monsoon irrigation draft during non-monsoon. We will be having 4 months for monsoon, yes, 120 days total. In a year we will be having 365 days. 365 minus 120 is 245. That means we will be having the number of days during non-monsoon is 245 days. Okay, and thereafter for calculating the domestic draft, we will be knowing the how much amount of draft taking place for domestic draft. I mean, like in terms of LPCD, you will be knowing 60 LPCD and 40 LPCD, like that. I mean, you can consider that. Yield calculator, yes, population into 60 LP 60 liters per day means in meter cube we are determining, so divided by 1000. Okay, consider same amount of LPCD here also. And we need to add during monsoon and during non-monsoon. Okay. Until now we calculated in meter cube, so here also area should be in meter to calculate meter square to calculate the draft in meter. John, yes, square meter. Okay, yes, and you need to determine the draft in meter. Okay, we successfully completed it, and thereafter, yeah, and thereafter you need to create fishnet around this total shapefile. You can search it here, or you can go to our toolbar. I mean, you can search here for fishnet. Yeah, create fishnet option is here. You can provide the output future class. I mean, wherever you want. Like fishnet name and creating. Okay. And you can give this as same layer, and you just edit this thing. I mean, round up this thing. Two, three, nine. Okay. 2396000 is upper side. 2385000 is 56130. 573. Okay. Size width, say 1000 meters by 1000 meters. Number of rows, number of columns. Geometry type is polygon. Okay. Thereafter you will get fishnet label. Fishnet label will be in points. Fishnet will be in the polygon. I mean like squares in terms of grid. Yeah. After creating fishnet, you need to define the projection for the fishnet label and fishnet. Type this here. Define projection. Fishnet label. Okay. Okay. After defining the projection, calculate the extraction by intersecting the village layer and the fishnet. You have to intersect this fishnet and the village. Both. Only fishnet, not fishnet label. You should not intersect. You should intersect only the fishnet with polygon and extraction village. Fishnet and extraction. Join all the attributes. Okay. Okay. Yeah. You can see this layer, newly formed layer, by intersecting the fishnet and the extraction village. Yeah. After this, you can open the attribute table and check it. See here, all the things are been intersected. Okay. Shape area, irrigation, draft during monsoon and non-monsoon. Here, you need to simply focus on the fishnet ID, FID of the fishnet. See here, the same ID is repeated 2 times here. 18, 18, 20, 20, 21, 21. You need to add them for each number, for the each same number. You need to add them in the Excel for the same fishnet ID, FID. So that 29, 29, 29. You should add them using Excel. Go to copy it. Copy the selector. Okay. Just create the file. New. select total. And insert the pivot table. Okay, we will be going to a new sheet here. You just drag it like this. No, don't do this. Before this, you need to do one thing. I forgot to tell that. Don't say. Okay. After this, just clear the feature. Add the field. Calculate a draft during monsoon in meter cube. Cubic. Sorry. Cubic meter. Yeah. Just multiply this with this one. Okay. Now you just copy the all. Now insert the pivot table. Suppose if it is not coming, if it is coming count here, you can just click this one and value field settings. You can search the sum and you can click it. Sometimes defaultly you will find a count. You should not count, you should sum it. Okay. And you should copy all these columns, not total, only up to here. Control and create separate file. Control V. You can have the draft during monsoon in cubic meters, draft during non-monsoon in cubic meters. Yeah. After this, claim of research selector and go to fishnet label, okay, and open the attribute table. Here the FID and here the fishnet FID are same. Before that, you can add the field. You need to determine the east thing or north thing in the x and y coordinate. Okay, add the field y. Okay, add the field elevation. Float. Yeah. Calculate the geometry. Yes. X coordinate meters. PC projected coordinate system. Okay. Calculate geometry. Yes. Y coordinate system. Meters projection of it. Yes. And thereafter, you can extract the DEM. I mean, you can upload the DEM file. Okay. And you can extract this value. Extract multi-point. You can name it as elevation so that there will be no confusion. Okay. Open the attribute table. You can see here elevation. So you can delete this table. You can see the elevation here. Okay. And you have to save this file. You can remember the sheet number sheet 3. Okay. And you can upload it. Here I am created the exception Excel file. You can double click it and upload the sheet 3. Add. Open it. Okay. You can join the layers. Join. sheet key, row label. Okay, open the attribute table. Yeah, now you can see that